In this video, I will show you how to deploy GitHub project on Railway. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Railway account. Once you're logged in, you're going to go to your dashboard. And on the dashboard, you're going to go to New. And on the New, you're going to click on GitHub repository. Now, you see it says we need to configure our GitHub. We're going to click on Configure GitHub app. And we're gonna install and authorize the Railway app in our GitHub applications, and then we're gonna click on install and authorize. Now as soon as it's done authorizing, this is what is gonna appear, and we're gonna close this and use this instead. So we're gonna refresh, and once we refresh, you should be able to see all of our repositories here. Now we're gonna click on the repository that we want to deploy. And once we click on it, you're going to see all good, please continue deploying repository, and it's going to start initializing and deploy from here. Now that's how to deploy a GitHub project on Railway. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.